When would you ever divide by a fraction? Let's find out. One way is through the measurement model, which asks how many of the divisor fit into the dividend. So for 3 divided by 1/2, how many halves are in 3? So if you want context, the biggest cup I have is a 1/2 cup measuring cup. I do not know where my 1 cup measuring cup is. This is not for the video. I literally do not know where it is. So if the recipe calls for 3 cups of flour and I only have a 1/2 cup measuring cup, how many times do I need to scoop to get 3 cups of flour? 6 times. And another context for this is, if your goal is to run 3 miles and you run half a mile every day, how many days will it take to reach your goal? 6 days. Now, another way we can think about this is through the partitive model, where you know part of something and you need to figure out what the whole is worth. So for 3 divided by 1/2, if half of the whole is worth 3, what's the whole worth? So for context, if half the plane ride is 3 hours long, how long is the entire plane ride? 6 hours long. Now, here are a couple more. If half of your essay is 3 pages long, your whole essay is 6 pages long. If half of a video is 3 minutes long, the entire video is 6 minutes long. Now, the last model I'm going to talk about is called the factors and product model, where you know the area of the rectangle, you know a side length of the rectangle, and your goal is to determine the other side length. So, if you have a rectangular window with an area of 3 square feet and a width of 1/2 foot, what is the length of this window? 6 feet, because 1/2 times 6 equals 3. So there you have it. Dividing by a fraction isn't just found in the math classroom, you may already be doing it naturally in your head.